Welcome to another birthday vlog. Welcome to another birthday vlog, guys. Wagwan, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. If you're new to my channel, a warm welcome to you. Please remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. To my existing subscribers, and go and big up on yourself. Mwah, love on you guys. So right now I'm on my way to work. It's pretty early and it's a Monday morning, so you know that the traffic is gonna be dirty out here, and especially when you're driving downtown, it's crazy. So anyway, I just want to jump on the vlog and just say hello to you guys and start it off, because I know it's gonna be a very busy, hectic day for me today, because when I start early like this, I know it's gonna take up the entire day. Like when I have a morning shift at work, I just know that it's gonna be a whole day thing. So maybe I won't even get to vlog until maybe like 6-7 o'clock p.m. So but anyway, I gotta do what I gotta do, right? So I'm starting the vlog off right now so that you guys can, get a piece of the action when I'm going to work and all of that. So yeah, if I can get a chance to record during work, which would be so much fun, because my job is really fun, cooking in the kitchen, especially if I'm working on the saute station, which I don't think I will this morning, because I don't usually work saute in the mornings, always at night. But anyways, even when I'm working, it would be nice to like just show you guys what I do at work. But I told you guys that the traffic is dirty this morning, right? Everybody's on edge, everybody's late for work, everybody's rushing, right? So that's why you hear them honking. Look at this one beside me. The light don't change yet and him ready for drive up. Like, where are you going, bro? The light is green, light is red. Anyway, as I was saying, it would be nice to record some little action at work, but let's see how that go. I don't really know how that's gonna go, because I can't really use my phone at work. I need to get a circle of people who does YouTube also, so that when we are around each other, it's not weird for me to like take up my camera and just start recording. But when you're around people who don't do YouTube, they don't want to be on camera, they're just weird. I cannot be pushing up my camera in people's face. I don't like it, so bro, I'm trying to go over me and my turn is coming in. Yeah, so if I get a circle of people who want to be on camera and whatever, the vlogs would be so much more better. But the people in my family, my everybody, they don't want to be on camera. So I guess you guys just see my face for now. Until I find those friends, you guys will know. But yeah, this is starting off the video. I'm like halfway on my journey to work. The GPS said it's gonna take me another 27 minutes to get to work, with just 7 kilometers, so you can imagine how the traffic is heavy. So yeah, anyway guys, I just wanted to check in, as I said, and I will link you up when I can link you up back. All right, love you guys. So I left work sooner than I thought. Just got home. It's just after 3 right now. So I have a few assignments that I have an assignment due. I actually have a portfolio due today. Portfolio is like a recipe book thingy. Yeah, it's due today and I didn't even start yet. I don't think I'm gonna do it though. I don't think I'm gonna do it. It's worth 10% of my final grade. That's a lot. I really wanted to graduate with honors, but I don't know. If I lose 10%, that means I'm still good, like in terms of passing the class. But I'm just very stretched right now and I can't do it, to be honest. So I'm not gonna do it. And then I have another big assignment, 5%. That one is a little bit easier because it's just like a podcast. I can do that easy. I just record myself talking for 9 minutes about the topic. So I think that's okay. That's easier. That's gonna be quicker. But the portfolio, I have to get, oh, I don't even want to talk about it. Anyway, just got home and I'm just gonna head inside and see what I can get to do with the rest of the evening because it's still quite early. Apple, please. This is the life, guys. This is the life. I came home and bombat. Ooh, shoots. Oh my god, the laundry basket scrape off me. Look here. Look what just happened. God, man, the laundry basket almost scrape off my skin. Jesus. I need a new laundry basket, eh? I need a new laundry. I have this laundry basket for, I think, 4 years. I think I have this laundry basket for almost 4 years now. And I think it did the time. That's why it's trying to scrape me up and telling me that it did the time. Boy, guys, mood I want to show you the laundry basket, but it all. Maybe I need to put a laundry basket on my Amazon wish list. Guys, my laundry basket is 4 years old. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. Don't do me like that. My laundry basket is 4 years old. I'm gonna put one on my Amazon wish list. Let me see if somebody will buy me a laundry basket, because this laundry basket has been through a lot. Maybe that's why it cut me up now. Look at it. Jesus. I remember when this basket used to look bougie and nice. Look on it now. Let me try and make it look nice. Good thing. Oh God. Go through a lot. See it there? It really go through a lot, guys. See? I remember when this basket was... So this is the thing that just scraped my foot. Let me see if it's bleeding. Oh God, you see? No, I'm just feel it. So this is what the laundry basket did to my leg. My nice leg. No cut or nothing. And then boom. I guess the laundry basket is trying to tell me that need a new one. That's not safe, you know. So I have my school uniforms. Remember last time I washed my whites in the machine, it didn't come out good. So this time, I think the mistake that I made the last time was I added the bleach directly to the machine. That was a mistake. And I don't know why I did that, because I usually add the bleach in here. I usually put the bleach in this section. So I don't know why I put the bleach on the clothes. Like, that was just not me. Anyway, let me remove this stuff outside the dryer. I washed some sheet and stuff. So all those stuff are already dry. I didn't get a chance to do any laundry over the weekend. So after work today, I just started doing laundry. You know, so them here feel wet. They feel wet. But I have clothes that I'm taking from the washer to put in the dryer now. And then I can wash my white uniform. Okay. Because I'm going to school tomorrow and I need uniform. So when I'm washing my apron, you see it have a long string or whatever. I just like to tie it because when it goes in the dryer, it tend to like wrap around everything and then it might pop. So I like to tie them like this when I'm washing it. So I'm just wash a bunch of white clothes together. Put the bleach in there. Same thing again. Especially this one is so thin, easy to pop. So this one especially I have to tie up. Okay. Alright. I can't believe the laundry basket scrape up my foot, guys. Jesus. I'm gonna pick out the one that's... Wanted that something here. This is so comfortable. The ones that are not dry, I feel like I'm just gonna hang them out all over the house. I'm gonna hang them out all over the house to dry. Or maybe I just give them another round in the dryer. Okay. This dry. It's supposed to dry too. This one feels dry, but something is here. I don't want it to touch on the floor. See, that's why I forgot to close the zipper. If you did close the zipper, oh, it's spoiled. Oh. See, that's the thing when you wash your clothes in a machine, you know, them always mash up somehow. Okay, this one dry, so I'm gonna bring this one up. But this one is not dry because it was stuck. But I can easily throw this over something to dry. Maybe over the couch to dry. You know what? I'm gonna just throw them over. I'm not gonna waste electricity just to dry these because they're basically dry, it's just kind of damp. So I'm just gonna throw them over something to dry. Right now my tripod them turn into clothes hanger. Tripod turn into clothes hanger, guys. I got exciting news. So right about now I'm about to choose the photos from my photo shoot. So the photos are ready. I just need to go select my 10 pictures. Maybe I'll give you guys a sneak peek, maybe not, but let's see. This doesn't now work properly, you know, this mouse. Oh my gosh, it was so hard. Like, this is one of the hardest things that I've ever done in my entire life. This is one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. So this is my photo. thingy, and it took me almost 2 hours to choose my pictures, and the time limit is an hour. Not 2 hours, I'm just exaggerating. It took me like an hour and change, hour and 10 minutes to choose my photos, and I'm still over here stressing out to make sure I chose the right one. And it's so tempting to upgrade to the 20 picture package. I only paid for 10 pictures, but it's really tempting to upgrade to 20 pictures, but the money is not there. I don't have the money. If I had the money, I would have just easily paid for 20 pictures, and then my life would be stress free. Guys, I was sweating, I'm stressing. Yo, hard decision. But guys, let me tell you, these pictures are not edited yet, and they look amazing. Like, big up Sonia, big up Coconut Images, big up yourself. Big up yourself. You did a good job. You did a good job, guys. I can't wait for you guys to see the pictures, and I'm fine with the 10 pictures, even though there are so many other cute pictures that I could have chosen, but that was a very hard decision. You want to see camera boss watching me from a distance. He's like, oh boy. He's like, I feel so sorry for you. Come give me a hug. Come, let me give you a hug. But you know, when you see, because I'm so photogenic and I'm so beautiful, that's the reason why it's hard for me to choose, because all of the pictures them look good. All of them look nice. So you guys will be the judge of that when I post the pictures on my birthday. But anyway, guys, I wanted to go outside to go and water the farm, but because of the pictures, that actually took up a lot of time for me. So in the morning I'm gonna go out to water the farm and show you guys what's going on, because camera boss planted more stuff in the farm. I haven't been in the farm since last week. Let me stop saying farm, garden. I haven't been in the garden for a week. A farm, may I call it. I'm calling it farm. I haven't been in the farm for like a week now, so there's a lot of things going on out there. Hopefully tomorrow I can see some things, like small stuff growing already. Should be. But yeah. Guys, today was a very nice day for me. It was amazing. I'm excited. Like, these pictures just actually reactivated that birthday spark in me, and I'm pretty excited and can't wait for my birthday. Can't wait for the party. Can't wait for everything. Like, it's just an amazing time. Even though life is rough, we still just have to look through, like, look past the roughness and just try to find some happiness and try to find some, you know, that space where your head can say, you know what, life rough, but I can live in this moment and just know that this moment is a happy moment. But anyway, guys, this is it for me tonight, you know, because right now I'm just gonna take a shower and hop right into bed. It's basically 10 p.m. already. Did I do my assignment that's due in 50 minutes? No, I didn't do any of my assignments that's due in 50 minutes. So now I have to figure out if I can get some extra time to do these assignments. But if not, I lost points. Guys, school is hard, eh? School is very hard. It's very stressful around this time for me. But I have to make sure that I put my A game on. You see, it's because it's my birthday time. That's the reason why everything is just coming down on me. I have to plan a party. I have these daily vlogs that I am committed to. I have so many things that are taking up my time. So it's like, you know. But anyway, guys, big up on yourself. I'm still gonna work on the assignment, even though it's due in an hour, and see what I can do. And maybe I can finish it in an hour. Who knows? Who knows? Let me see what I can do, guys. I'm not gonna give up on it. But anyways, guys, I wanna big up on yourself. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. What is under my nose? I'm out.